up? In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos 10 times better with the nesting and copy and paste attribute video effects in Adobe Premiere Pro in less than 4 minutes. So we're going to transform this video from looking something like this.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it, which is kind of a waste of time.
To something like this.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it, which is kind of a waste of time.
Okay, so once you have your video, keep in mind that a video that is a podcast or a video that's on a still tripod and that is not moving has a better chance of this being better than not. But keep in mind, you can use all of the things I'm about to teach you this in any video possible to make your YouTube videos or your content creation skills so much better. So in this case, I have a video clip of Mr. Beast and he's being interviewed. So basically this is what we're going to do. We're going to nest this, and the video clip was right here. So you highlight it and then you click N on your keyboard and then you nest it, and then it will turn green like that. Okay, so this is our typical video, as you can see, as far as like the video is just playing, nothing really crazy is happening. But if you want to get the person's reaction while Mr. Beast is talking, then we have an opportunity to zoom in on Mr. Beast or on our subject and then our interviewee and then interviewer at the same time. So this is how we are going to do that. So click on your video clip, make sure that video 1 is selected and then it's highlighted by clicking on it, and then click the video clip and hold down Alt and move this up. So we just duplicated the layer. Step number 2 is we're going to click Effect Controls, video 2 or track is selected, click Motion, and then we're going to zoom in, click the motion, and then we're going to zoom in on Mr. Beast, and then we're going to nest this one more time. So click nest, enter, and then we'll do the same thing with this clip right here. But for this, I'm going to uncheck mark that so we can't see it. And then if we really want, so do the same thing for this clip. If it accidentally clicks and it double clicks like this, it just opens up the nested sequence. You can click X or you can go back to your sequence. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. We'll click on this nested sequence, nest, and then click enter, and it's nested. So now we have 2 clips like that. Okay, so this is where the cool part comes in. We go under to effects, we type in crop, under transform, drag crop right here, and then under effects control, we can move this unchecked, the eye icon, but under effects control, we can move this like that to the left and then move it to the right. And this is what we have, and you click motion, effect controls, click it, hold down shift so it doesn't move, I'm moving it to the right, and then we can copy the same exact thing. So this is where copying and pasting attributes come into handy. So we can take this, I'm highlighting this where we added our crop feature, Control C, and then I'm going to paste the attributes by clicking the shortcut, which is paste attributes. If you do not see it, you can right click and then paste attributes, but if you want the shortcut, then you go under to edit keyboard shortcuts. This will open up, and then right here type in paste attributes, and then right here click and then type in your shortcut. In this case I have D to paste and F to copy, or should I say you can type in copy. So this is the shortcut for both of them, paste and then remove attributes, D and then F. So highlight copy, click on this, and I'm clicking D to paste because we want to paste the attributes, and click OK. And see now how this video clip went over to there, but that's fine. You click motion and you drag it to the right. And this is what we have. So this is the before.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it, which is kind of a waste of time.
And this is the after.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it, which is kind of a waste of time. Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it, which is kind of a waste of time.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.